Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the Apple ID tied to the card. This matters because only that account can remove payment methods. Once signed in, make sure you can authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode because Apple prompts for verification. Now open Settings, tap your name at the top, and select Payment and Shipping. You'll see stored cards and billing addresses. From here you begin the removal process. Tap the card you want to delete. You've opened the card details. Now tap Edit or the Remove Payment Method option. Apple sometimes shows different labels depending on iOS version, so look for Remove or Delete. If that card backs active subscriptions, make sure you either cancel those or assign a new payment method first, otherwise removal can fail. When you choose Remove, Apple will ask for confirmation and reauthentication. Approve it. Once done, the card will disappear from your payment and shipping list, but stay aware of residual subscription. To finish, return to App Store and iCloud settings to verify the card is gone everywhere Apple uses payments. If the card still appears, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, or restart the device. This often forces a sync. If removal still fails, check for unpaid balances or active family sharing charges that block deletion. If those aren't the issue, contact Apple support. They can remove the payment method server-side and explain why it wouldn't delete locally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.